When your iPhone is stuck on your headphone mode and you don't know what to do, here's a little trick that I found. Let me show you the trick that works. What you need is this needle. You see this sewing needle? You just go in there in the iPhone socket and you go round. You will hear there's a little plastic. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear that? You prick on it and you release it. It's only one-sided. On the other side of the hole, there is nothing. There's nothing. So what you need to do on this hole, where you put in the headphones, put your needle inside and you prick. You prick. Can you hear that sound? You prick and release, prick and release, prick and release, and then go and check your iPhone. Let's see. There we go, it's working. Yeah, problem solved. That works.